Medicine Hat Toyota. I'm here beside a 2023 Toyota Tundra. We've done some upgrades for the customer on this vehicle. Some of those upgrades include some Blackout Badging. We've got it on the front, on the side, and on the tailgate. We've also done a 3.5-inch rough country lift kit. With that lift kit, we've put some bigger tires on here. We got 34 12.5 by 18s mounted on fuel Maverick rims. Really complements the truck, really makes it look good. These wheels are a little bit offset, give it a little bit different stance and a little bit different tracking on the backcountry. Then we've done some TRD Pro cast aluminum boards. These are super sweet. We've got a Line X coating applied to them. Yeah, that kind of sums it up. Other than the tires, of course, which are BF Goodrich KO2. Excellent tire, winter rated, mud rated, and they'll hook up real good in the snow, real good in the mud, real good in the dirt. So if you guys have any questions, please give us a shout. 403-526-6228 or pop down here to the store. Thanks, guys.